Kani ketika batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Myntri jang Sorkar India udai pai katnat Human Resources Development Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishang haka khat sautrek urumpang arjar arpau ula Plie ba ya ka Agriclinic and Agribusiness Center ha school ba Northeastern Hill University ya ka bala ajing ram da National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management na Hyderabad lingba ka Ministry of Agriculture ka Sorkar India hakni ka juk sngi uni Myntri jang Sorkar India ula Plie ba ru ya ka Livelihood Business Incubation Center hakni school ba nakabenta banwan ra ek rukam trikam bathamai bat ban kintie wiki karkhana baret hagi shnong nong kendong bat ban Plie lat ya ka sengkam sengjam kat kum ka jing product jong ka Ministry of Micro Small and Medium Enterprises jong ka Sorkar India Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishang hadien kanie ura letpat ban Plie ba saya ka incubation center balashna kerpang da school ba Nehu da ka babu thong ban ajing kai ajing tep hakabai dei bat ka dia ka thiet ka jing tep shapang ka yo ka kot bat kiwe
We in the state of Nigeria, we didn't have, as of now, the university of our own. We have many colleges in the state, and we are thankful to the ministry for providing us fund from time to time through different schemes of the government and also through ROSA. And we are also thankful that the government, the HR industry from time to time has provided us fund for capacity building and also others. With the help of the central government, we have tried to overcome many issues. But sir, we have other issues which need the assistance of the central government, particularly on your stewardship. I hope this issue we could overcome. In fact, twice I need to mention more, and I need to talk after this to remind of the issue which is facing the state.
दिनों में ध्रुव कार्यक्रम प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा था कि प्रधानमंत्री नवाचार शिक्षण कार्यक्रम के तहत हम लोगों ने पूरे देश के 30 गणित और विज्ञान के क्षेत्र के और 30 कला क्षेत्र के बच्चों को चुना था और इसरो मुख्यालय से जो यात्रा उनकी शुरू की थी